Looking for smart tools that actually make a difference in your daily life? In this video, we've rounded up 20 genius tools on Amazon that will make your life easier in 2025. From innovative home gadgets and time-saving kitchen tools to clever cleaning devices and everyday problem solvers, these products are designed to add convenience, comfort, and efficiency to your routine. Whether you're organizing your space, improving your workflow, or upgrading your home setup, these are the best Amazon tools you didn't know you needed. Let's dive in. Painting projects can be frustrating without the right tool. Using traditional brushes or rollers for large areas is not only slow but also often leads to uneven coverage and streaks. The Worx Nitro Cordless Paint Sprayer solves all these problems and delivers pro-level performance for any painting task. With a large capacity 34 fluid ounces paint container, you can cover bigger areas without constant refilling. Adjustable airflow control and 4 nozzle sizes give you the flexibility to tackle anything from narrow trim to wide surfaces, using a variety of materials, stains, primers, and latex paints. The compact cordless design lets you paint anywhere, even in tight spots or outdoors, without cords getting in the way. Speed control minimizes overspray and ensures a smooth, even finish. When the job is done, cleaning is easy with the included garden hose hookup. No need for tedious scrubbing. The included 2A charger juices up a 4 ampere-hours battery in just 2 hours, so you're ready for the next project in no time. The Worx Nitro Cordless Paint Sprayer is the ultimate combination of flexibility, efficiency, and pro-grade power for smooth, hassle-free painting wherever you need it. When you don't have a versatile charger for your job site or on-the-go work, you're forced to carry multiple chargers for your tools and devices. The DEWALT DCR015 charger radio solves that problem by combining a charger and a radio into one convenient compact tool. It charges 12 VMAX and 20 VMAX DEWALT lithium-ion batteries and has a USB port for charging devices like phones and MP3 players. Plus, it has great sound, making it an all-in-one solution for charging and entertainment wherever you're working. When tackling garden projects without a reliable tool, you might find it challenging to maintain efficiency, safety, and precision. The CAMPNDOOR Mini Chainsaw is a powerhouse tool engineered for any cutting challenge. With 4,800 RPM and 2x faster cutting, it effortlessly glides through hardwood. It's powered by 2,000 mAh batteries, which alternate for non-stop cutting, offering 60 minutes of project power. Built-in protections include overvoltage, overcurrent, overdischarge, overtemperature, and overcharge protection for worry-free use. The self-oiling chain system ensures 50% longer runtime and 90% less maintenance, while the brushless motor lasts 3x longer. A low-friction rotor, minimized kickback, and ergonomic comfort grip make it left- and right-handed friendly, senior-friendly, and easier to handle than a brush cutter saw. Mitigates bar warping and chain binding for seamless operation. Quick and easy chain adjustments and the auto-lube system keep it running smoothly. Accessories include a 46-inch mini chainsaw, 2 batteries, a case, a user manual, goggles, a chain bar, an oil bottle, and a charger. It's everything you need to tackle any DIY project, built tough and ready to work. In DIY and professional projects, having a tool that can efficiently handle small cutting and grinding tasks is essential. The Worx Chopper Mini Cutter is an impressive mini-angle grinder, perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Weighing just 0.7 kilograms, this compact, lightweight tool is designed for easy maneuverability and superior control. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation, while the spindle lock button allows for quick and easy disc changes. Featuring a lock-on switch for continuous free cutting, this mini cutter takes on grinding and cutting jobs effortlessly. The tool-less wheel guard adjustment means you can modify the guard quickly for added safety and versatility. It's compatible with standard 76 by 10 mm blades, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. The low power consumption ensures extended runtime, so you can work longer without interruptions. Built for tough projects and designed to tackle a variety of materials, the Worx Chopper Mini Cutter is your go-to for precision cutting and grinding, combining power and performance in one handy package. Without a reliable fence system on your bandsaw, achieving precise and repeatable cuts can be challenging. The Laguna Universal Fence System upgrades your bandsaw to handle these challenges with ease. Crafted from a robust aluminum profile, this system offers unmatched stability and flexibility. Use it vertically for tall workpieces, horizontally for low-profile tasks, or tilt it 10 degrees left or right for angled cuts. Its smooth rack and pinion mechanism allows up to 26 inches of travel with both coarse and fine adjustments. The dual-scale ruler, with inch and metric measurements, ensures precise cuts every time. If you don't have a reliable floor cutter, cutting through tough materials like laminate, engineered wood, or vinyl plank flooring can be a frustrating and time-consuming process. The Roberts PrecisionCuts Pro Multi-Floor Cutter is the perfect solution for these challenges. It features a built-in light for improved visibility and accuracy, while large steel rollers ensure smooth operation and maximum cutting power. The repositionable fence comes with a locking screw and a built-in ruler with both inch and millimeter markings for precise measurement and repeatable cuts, designed to handle a wide range of materials, including carpet tiles, laminate, engineered wood, vinyl plank, siding, PVC, and more. This versatile tool delivers professional-grade results every time. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or a large project, this cutter makes the job easier and more efficient. Working in tight spaces or dealing with stubborn nuts can be incredibly frustrating. The SeeSii Ratchet wrench is a game-changer for any mechanic or DIYer. This tool features a slim 3/8-inch head and a 6-inch extended neck, making it easy to access hard-to-reach areas. It's powered by a high-performance motor delivering a maximum torque of 54 Newton-meters at 220 RPM, perfect for automotive repair and maintenance. It comes with two 12-volt, 2.0 ampere-hour rechargeable battery packs, offering up to 4 hours of continuous use. The built-in LED light ensures visibility in dark spaces, while the gravity sensor button adjusts torque according to how hard you press. With forward and reverse modes, this tool adapts to any challenge, making your work faster, easier, and more precise. A thermal imaging camera is an essential tool for detecting hidden problems like electrical faults, insulation gaps, or mechanical issues. The Kaiweets thermal imaging camera revolutionizes this process. It features a 12-micrometer uncooled vanadium oxide detector chip that accurately measures temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 546 degrees Celsius. With a 25 Hz image frequency and laser indicator, it pinpoints the hottest or coldest areas with exceptional precision. This rugged tool boasts 2-meter drop protection and LED illumination for dark workspaces. Its 4,850 mAh battery offers up to 16 hours of continuous operation, and it saves both thermal and visible images automatically. The camera connects to your PC for real-time video streaming and advanced analysis with free software upgrades. With 6 color palettes, a temperature alarm, and a built-in 16 GB memory card for 60,000 images, it's a must-have for every professional's toolkit. A reliable laser level fixes inaccurate measurements and misaligned installations in construction, renovation, and even simple DIY projects. The Klein Tools self-leveling crossline laser level is designed for precision and versatility. It projects bright, easy-to-read horizontal and vertical lines independently or together to create cross lines for high-performance alignment and layout. The self-leveling pendulum system ensures accuracy, with a flashing indicator to alert you if the tool is too far out of plane. For pinpoint overhead work, the integrated plumb spot lasers are a game-changer. It mounts easily with its magnetic mount, nail or screw keyhole, 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch tripod threads, or ceiling grid mounting clamp. With multiple alignment options and a 360-degree mounting bracket, this tool makes it easier than ever to get the job done right the first time. Working under sinks often involves cramped, awkward spaces and hard-to-reach fittings. Standard wrenches and pliers don't always provide the access, leverage, or precision needed to handle these challenges effectively. The RIDGID faucet and sink installer solves these challenges with its versatile, high-strength design. It features an extra-long handle for reaching mounting nuts on faucets and sprayers, and the shut-off valve attachment ensures you can turn hard-to-reach angle stops without damaging chrome finishes. The tool's notched ends accommodate various basin nut styles, while the strainer basket attachment securely holds the drain unit in place during installation or removal. If you're faced with a stubborn fitting, flip over the basket attachment to fit your one-stop wrench for extra leverage. Made with durable metal inserts and an open slot to fit over existing supply lines, this tool transforms under-sink installations into an efficient, frustration-free experience. For DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and makers, having a set of reliable and versatile tools is crucial. The Dremel Maker Kit is the perfect solution for those looking to simplify their crafting process while expanding their creative horizons. It includes the 200 Series 2-speed rotary tool, an engraving tool, and the Versatip butane soldering torch. 3 essential tools to cover cutting, routing, sanding, polishing, engraving, and wood burning. With 32 included accessories, it's ready to tackle a wide range of craft and hobby projects, from metal and glass to wood and more. Highly giftable and easy to use, it's a must-have for any beginner or experienced DIYer. When laying tiles, one of the biggest challenges is achieving a perfectly level surface. The QEP LASH tile leveling system is the perfect solution for ensuring perfectly even tiles every time. LASH is an easy-to-use 2-part system for eliminating uneven tiles. Remember to use a minimum of 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch trowel. Simply slide the LASH clips under the tile into the mortar, and then place the second tile. Our flat LASH clips provide an even 1/16 inch grout line. Once the tile is in place, slide the wedge into each clip to level, align, space, and hold. This tile leveling system can be used for tiles between 3/16 inch and 7/16 inch thick. On a large job, you will find our LASH Pro pliers useful to tighten down the wedges with the clip. Be sure not to over-tighten. 1 to 2 clicks is all you will need. After your thin set is cured, use a mallet to break off the wedge and the top of the clip. For the floors, you can simply kick off the tops. Remember to keep your wedges so they can be used again for future projects. For a perfectly level tile surface, use a LASH for your next tiling project. Traditional vacuums limit mobility, especially when cleaning large areas, stairs, cars, or tight spaces. That's why the SeeSii cordless shop vacuum was designed, to provide powerful portable cleaning without the hassle of cords. The SeeSii cordless shop vacuum features a high-efficiency brushless motor that runs 30% cooler and lasts twice as long as traditional motors, reducing maintenance costs. It offers dual suction modes, 9 kilopascals for routine cleaning and 15 kilopascals for pet hair and tough dirt. Powered by two 21 volts, 4,000 milliampere-hours batteries, it provides up to 40 minutes of runtime with quick 2 to 2.5 hours of charging for non-stop cleaning. This versatile 3-in-1 vacuum handles dry debris, wet spills, and blowing tasks. Equipped with a 2.6-gallon bin, reusable HEPA filter, flexible 7.9-foot hose, and multiple nozzles, it cleans various surfaces and hard-to-reach spots. Lightweight at 8 pounds with wheels and a shoulder strap, it offers easy portability and compact storage, perfect for home, garage, and outdoor use without cord restrictions. In electrical and wiring projects, creating secure, reliable connections between wires and terminals is crucial for safety and performance. The Kaiweets Crimping tool is a versatile and efficient solution for all your wiring needs. It comes with 2 replaceable jaws and 210 wire connectors, covering a crimping range of 0.5 to 6 square millimeters, suitable for insulated nylon and heat shrink terminals. Its precision ratchet mechanism completes crimping in one smooth step, ensuring consistent, strong connections every time. The adjustable crimping regulator lets you control the pressure for different projects, guaranteeing perfect crimps without damaging wires. Designed for comfort and durability, the ergonomic insulated nylon handles reduce hand fatigue and provide a secure grip. Quick jaw exchange is simple and screwdriver-free, saving you time. Ideal for professionals and DIYers, this tool is perfect for a variety of electrical tasks, offering reliability and ease of use in one compact package. On any job site, especially in low-light environments or when working after hours, reliable and versatile lighting is crucial. The MODbox Dual Beam Work Light is the ultimate job site companion. Combining both flood and spot lighting in one compact, rugged tool, it offers independent or simultaneous operation with 360-degree rotation for customizable lighting angles. With up to 3,000 lumens of brightness, it's ready for any task. It features multiple mounting options, a MODbox rail compatibility, a magnetic base, and a hanging hook, providing convenient hands-free lighting. Built tough and water-resistant, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor work. Multiple lighting modes, high, medium, and low, ensure the right light for any job. And you can even use it to charge small electronic devices thanks to its power-sharing capabilities.